Power BI 101 episode 5. How to split a column by delimiter in Power Query. Here we have students data where we have first name and last name along with a delimiter which is comma. Remember, a delimiter can also be a space, a colon, an equal sign, etc. I want to extract the first name of the student. In order to do this, you just need to right click on the column, click on split column, then you need to click on by delimiter. Here we need to click on comma as our delimiter in this case is a comma. Also, the split at section is used when there are multiple delimiters. In our scenario, we are dealing with only one delimiter, so we will keep it as it is only. Then we just need to click on OK. As you can see, we have successfully retrieved the first name of our students. Want to simplify data analytics with Power BI? Follow, like, and subscribe for easy tips and insights.